lipstick lovers, this is Victoria Lowe, and a new video means a new color. And today I am here showcasing this beautiful mint green color. It is absolutely stunning, and it goes by the name of Monte Carlo. So let's get into it, shall we? First, I'm going to be starting off with my world famous lipstick base. You guys can purchase this lipstick base from my website, and I'll be sure to link that in the description box below. Also, if you want to make your very own lipstick base, I have a tutorial showing you how to do that as well. So I'm going to start off with half of a teaspoon of the blue Alum Lake dye, and that's in blue number 1. Next, I'm going to go in with 3/4 of a teaspoon of yellow number 5 Lake. And third, I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of white titanium oxide. I pre-measured everything this time, you guys, so it could be much easier and less confusing. So when mixing, you want to be sure to mix everything very well. You want to be sure that you don't see no more dye or pigment or any marble-like clouds. Okay, so now I'm going in with what makes our lipstick matte, and that is 1 teaspoon of isododecane. Because the isododecane has such a liquid consistency, we're going to go in one more time with 1/4 of a teaspoon of yellow lake dye. It is now swatch time, and oh my gosh, you guys, look at this color payoff. It is completely, absolutely gorgeous. Yes, honey, yes. The whole idea behind the lipstick, it goes on liquid and it dries to matte, so keep that in mind. Next, we're going to go ahead and load our syringe from the back. You guys can use a piping bag, that is optional, but this is just my way of doing it. I'm comfortable with doing it this way. Hey, it is what it is. So I'm loading my syringe from the back, and I'm going to get ready to go ahead and distribute the product into the bottle, like so. We're going to add our stopper, and just like that, you have an amazing, beautiful mint green lipstick that goes by the name of Monte Carlo in my line, but of course you can name it whatever you feel inspired to. If you're into pastel colors, you can have so much fun with this color. I absolutely love this color and all colors in general, but I especially love this one. I've had so much fun making this video, you guys, and I want to thank you as always for your awesome and incredible support. If you want to shop this color, you can also shop it at my website at www.veryveelobeauty.com. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at very_veelo. Thank you so much for your support and watching my video. Always stay blessed.